Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is August 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. So Tesla seems to be rebounding okay on 857.36. So we closed up at $19.62, 2.26%. Closed at 889.36. Post market, we are even Steven. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we are in the congestion zone, and now we have not reached 842.98 like we did on July 29th or also August 9th. Now we are bouncing just a little bit higher, 857.36. This is telling us that the stock is a little bit stronger because the buyers come in or the sellers get tired when it comes lower to 857. So the buyers are there to push the stock back up. We have a nice candle, made a higher high, made a higher low. Yes, there was some pushback at the top. And this pushback at the top coincides very clearly to the middle of the channel resistance. So this is the big channel we are in. And this is the middle of that channel. Look at how it's a perfect touch right here. This could be temporary. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this was the first hour of the day right here. Nice green candle, somewhat at the top still, but nice push up by the buyers. Then we encountered some resistance right here at 888. Let me give you the number. We encountered some resistance here at 888.71. 88.71. So we stopped there. And the first hour, we were a little bit shy of it. Second and third hour, we did not know what we wanted to do. The sellers were pushing the stock back down, but then look at how the buyers won that one. Boom. Went quite significantly up. Second hour was also higher. Then we are weakening a little bit. We are caving a little bit down from this downward resistance. So the stock is doing what it's supposed to do. When it's coming close to a resistance, it should keep down unless it's strong enough to break it. In that case, then that's a nice buy signal to jump in because it means that the buyers are winning and we want to be on the winner's side. Stochastic is climbing a little bit. So this is very nice to see the fact, even though we have two red candles right here, look at stochastic, it's still climbing a little bit. This is good news. Hopefully things are going to pick up a little bit tomorrow. Thursday is the split day. Maybe this is the little run up to the split that we were expecting to see. Coming back on the daily chart, we had lost stochastic over 60 yesterday, but we gained it back today. So that did not last long. We are happy about that. Everything else, RSI is still good, DMI is still good, and the two lines of MACD are still above zero. So this is nice. This whole thing here is really looking like a little bit of a pause because the stock went super high, super fast. Not too long ago in June, we were at $628, and now we are up here. Let's hope that this is just a little bit of a pause until we go higher and reach over $1,000. So hopefully this is what we are expecting. We should start to be careful at around 1050 something and maybe try to catch a little bit of profit at that point. Thank you very much for watching. Let's take a look at the VIX a little bit. VIX had a big move up yesterday. So today it's still quite up. So, that bugs me a little bit. So we are back above 2382. I am a little bit disappointed by that. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is continuing its descent. So we lost stochastic over 60 for Dow Jones. We are still above this 32,886 support. We are still above that. So are we going to remain above that or are we going to go even lower? So that's the big question. We have this channel support that can also help us. Maybe this is just a little bit of a pullback There's a little bit less chance because we have lost stochastic over 60, but it's still possible that we bounce on the supports, either this horizontal one or this diagonal one right here. This is a possibility. If we break the diagonal support, then I would be less enthused and I would start looking for maybe shorting opportunities. Let's look at the S&P 500. So S&P 500, pretty much the same move. Last stochastic still above support. NASDAQ 100, the same thing, still above support. And still above support for NASDAQ 100. The indices are moving in unison. We are going to have to wait for a couple more candles to be a little bit more sure as what is currently happening. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.